It was a very exciting morning, and since our cluster is in collaboration with many other institutes, we're all connected via Zoom this morning, waiting for the big news, and there have been big celebrations afterwards. We are super happy, and we know this is bringing a lot of work for the next months, but we're all super excited to have made it to the next round. The main collaborations is the University of Cologne, the astrophysics department there, then the Max-Planck for radio astronomy, Max-Planck-Institut for radio astronomy here in Bonn, the DLR, Forschungszentrum Jülich. Our dynamic universe is the title of our cluster initiative, and let me explain briefly what we mean by dynamic universe. As you know, the universe is very transformative, and there are physics processes happening on many different time scales, from tiny fraction of a second to billions of years. And what our plan is actually to connect all these time scales through physics and to understand how the universe became what we observe today through all its history, and in particular to understand how mass and energy flow from small scales to large scales and vice versa to shape the universe as it is. We came up with this idea by collecting expertise that is in the area of Bonn, Cologne, Jülich, and realizing that there are possible crosstalks between different people and different scientific expertise, and a way to benefit from both the observational initiatives which are in the area. We are partners of a number of big telescopes, the theoretical initiatives, the fact that there are powerful supercomputers in Jülich, and also the fact that we have in Cologne especially a very advanced astrophysics laboratory which is pretty unique in this world. And so we try to find themes, we connect all the different peoples and all the different approaches, and we came up with this proposal with the idea of connecting timescales over time. If we think what society will benefit from this proposal, there are many different directions that we can think of. One possible direction, of course, is pure knowledge, that we will better understand our universe, and as human beings, we're always curious about where we came from, where we are heading to, even though the timescales of the universe are much longer than human lifetime. But apart from this more abstract benefit, there will be also concrete benefits from everyday life, because most people probably don't know, but many of the tools we use in everyday life nowadays come actually from astronomical research in the past, like the cameras that we have in our mobile phones or the internet. So we can't really foresee what will come from our research nowadays, but probably from the technological advancement that will be triggered by the research in the cluster, there will be in 40 years, 50 years, practical benefits for society directly.